So just because you're healthy and not having any treatment, don't think that your spine is intact. When you come to an Ayurvedic experts, they will teach you what is the right method of maintaining this posture and what is the right method of sleeping, what is the right method in the sitting posture. So learn these postures, try to go on, follow it consciously. Many of us don't value what we possess. It's very natural. See, we are having health, and how many of us acknowledge that our health? So only when you lose your health, you know the value of the health. So when we are having everything in abundance, let's try to acknowledge. Let's try to restore it. Let's try to preserve it. Let's try to elevate it. So this is something we all need to understand. So make sure that the spine is something which can be taken care and which has to be taken care for maintaining a good healthy posture and a good activity. Seeing you with a very good another topic, useful health tip in the upcoming days. Good day.